Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to fix fail to connect Windows service error notification. In this video I will share with you by step how you can fix this issue. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, I am going to share with you by 3 steps to fix this issue. First of all, go on your search icon and type here services, and then you will find services desktop app. Simply open this and then you will see here services will appear. Here you have to find out the system event notification. Simply scroll down all the way and find out this system event notification service. Simply double click on it and then here make sure that startup type is automatic or not. If it is not automatic, simply click on automatic and then click on apply and then click on start and then click on OK and try to restart your PC. Maybe your error will be caught. If even you see that message, then follow up the second option. Second option is the same place. Go on CUM plus event system, double click on it and then make sure that this is on automatic. If it is not, make it automatic and then click on apply and then click on start and then click on OK. Actually it is already running in my computer, so it's not appearing. So you can do that and then try to restart your PC, and if it is if there is any error, it will fix it. And the third option is in your Windows, type here in search icon, type here cmd and find out command prompt. Right click over there and click on run as administrator and then click on yes and type here a command prompt. In this command prompt, and the command prompt is etsh space winsock space reset and then press enter and try to restart your PC, and then I hope the issues will fix. The fail to connect Windows service notification will be fixed. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.